If you saw this video, what do you think the satellite imagery is capturing? This video is actually a series of photos taken from a NOAA satellite that captured a parent supercell thunderstorm turn explosively into a large tornado. And in result, this tornado prompted a rare tornado emergency from the National Weather Service in Norman, Oklahoma, because tornadoes have numerous public health effects, including just the direct impact of debris flying in the air. So this video is a great example of how satellites in space help inform our lives and communities here on Earth, and how interconnected science and society are together.